Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you this Enjoy Plant Power by Alpro. It's a roasted almond subtle roasted taste. It's a milk which is with roasted almond taste, and the beautiful pack you could see. It's a Tetra pack. Yes, it is a Tetra pack, and the means what it will give you when you'll have this is low in sugar, plus calcium, plus vitamin B2, B12 and DE. So these all are the vitamins which you'll get after drinking it. And the pack size will give you 22 calories. They have some Facebook, Twitter IDs. You can consult them in these, and the brand is the Alpro. I told you earlier only. And Enjoy Plant Power, that means they do not add any animal substance to it. So whatever the milk they have provided in it, it is purely plant based. And at the back they have mentioned all the nutritional information like energy, fat, saturates, carbohydrate, sugar, fiber, protein and vitamins and all. The pack size is 1 liter. It's mentioned over here. And I want to just check the brand. The product is of which country. Can you guys see? I just can't. Yeah, made in the EU for Alpra, UK. It's a UK based company. So let's open it. Let's not wait for much. From above you can see they have this bottle cap kind of thingy. You just take it off, and there is one pull out kind of thingy. It's very tight. Oh god, the milk came out. I'm gonna show you in the glass, and I'll pour it in glass and show you how it looks like. Actually this pack from up is very tight. Now it came out. See how beautiful it is looking. As you can see in the milk, there is some kind of almond, color. It's like badami color. So it's very nice. Now I'm gonna taste it. Wow, I would have not believed that it tastes really nice. It doesn't have any sugar, but it is, it is sweet in itself. It's nice that whosoever is pure, means what they are, those people are known as vegan something, I don't remember. They have these kind of products. Vegans, yeah, I got it. Vegans can have these. So if you like this product, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, bye bye.